Hello everyone, my name is Anna and today I will be speaking about mandatory vaccines. Imagine sending your child to school healthy and finding out a few days later that they were exposed to disease like measles. Now imagine that disease spreading throughout the school because not enough people were vaccinated. Vaccines have helped protect people from dangerous diseases for many years. Diseases like polio and measles used to make thousands of people sick every year. Today, vaccines help prevent many of these diseases from spreading. However, vaccines become a major topic of debate. Some people believe vaccines should be required because they protect public health. Others believe people should have the freedom to decide for themselves. Today, I will explain why deciding vaccination rates are a problem, how mandatory vaccines help protect communities, and why I believe vaccine requirements are important. The first issue is that vaccination rates have started to decline in some areas. When fewer people get vaccinated, diseases can spread more easily. This can lead to outbreaks that affect the entire community. Many people think vaccines only protect the person receiving them, but they also help protect others. Babies are often too young to receive certain vaccines. Some people have medical conditions that prevent them from being vaccinated. These people depend on those around them to stop the spread of disease. If large numbers of people choose not to get vaccinated, these vulnerable groups face greater risk. We have already seen outbreaks of diseases that were once considered under control. Measles outbreaks have occurred in several communities where vaccination rates were low. This shows that diseases can return when people stop getting vaccinated. Without strong vaccination programs, more people could become sick, miss work, require hospital care, and in some cases, even die from preventable illnesses. This is why declining vaccination rates are a serious public health concern. The solution is to continue requiring vaccines for school attendance and certain jobs. Mandatory vaccines help create what is called a herd immunity. And this just means that people are protected so that diseases have a harder time to spread from person to person. Schools are places where hundreds of students interact every day. If a disease enters a school, it can quickly spread. Vaccine requirements help reduce the risk. Many healthcare workers are also required to receive certain vaccines because they work with patients who may already be sick or who have a weak immune system. Medical experts and health organizations support vaccine requirements because years of research have shown that vaccines are generally safe and effective. Like any medical treatment, vaccines can have side effects, but serious side effects are rare. For most people, the benefits of vaccination are much greater than the risk. By keeping vaccine requirements in place, we can help protect individuals, families, and entire communities. Now imagine what a future could look like if vaccination rates stay high. Children could attend school with lower risk of disease outbreaks, and families worry less about dangerous illnesses spreading their communities, and even hospitals will spend less time treating preventable diseases and more time helping with other medical needs. People who are most vulnerable, such as babies, older people, and those with weakened immune systems, would have a greater protection. Now, imagine the opposite. Imagine vaccination rates continue to fail. Most outbreaks could occur. More children could miss school. More families could experience serious illness. Hospitals could become overwhelmed during these disease outbreaks. And diseases that were once rare could become common again. The future we experience depends on the choices we make today. So what can we do? First, learn about vaccines from trusted medical sources such as doctors, nurses, and public health organizations. Second, talk with healthcare professionals if you have questions or concerns about vaccines. And third, support vaccine requirements that businesses and communities safe. Finally, encourage friends and family members to stay informed about the importance of vaccination. Vaccines are not just about protecting ourselves, they're also about protecting the people around us. By supporting responsible vaccine policies, we can help create healthier and safer communities for everyone. Thank you guys.